Only because they choose to be Muslim, because they believed in Allah, because they believed they were Uyghurs and they were not Chinese, because some ladies had put hijab on their head, some others refused to eat non-halal food. And for these very funny reasons, the Chinese had declared these people to be Islamist terrorists and extremists. It is unimaginable that you can send people to concentration camps only because they are Muslim, only because they believe in God, only because they pray to God, or only because they believe that a true Muslim should pray 5 times per day. The people that we saw, they were forcefully separated from their families. They were declared to be criminals. And in these schools, they were forced to renounce Islam, to eat pork, to not speak Turkish or Uyghur language but to speak Chinese, and to repent for being Muslims and believing in God. These are mass concentration camps of Muslims who are forced to renounce their Islamic and Turkish identity. The whole project of these concentration camps is a cultural genocide against Turkic Muslims of China. What are they doing? They are trying to forcefully assimilate the Turkish people of Xinjiang and the Muslims and turn them into Han Chinese. They are brainwashed every day with ideas of the Communist Party of China. They are brainwashed with atheism. They are told that Islam is a terrorist and evil religion which was brought to China by the Turks and the Arabs. They are forced to renounce their Turkish language, and if they dare to speak Turkish when they are in the concentration camps, they will suffer punishment. So they are forced to speak old-time Han Chinese, and they are forced to learn Chinese, and in a few words, to transform from Turkic people into Han Chinese.